Hello, beautiful people and amazing people. Welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl, Blessed and Sterling. I brought to you guys another live streaming app that is paying very well. It is called Bouloup. I know some of you might have heard about it, some of you might not have heard about it. So, if you haven't, this is a very big opportunity for you to navigate on this app. So it's easy to navigate. Once all you need to do is just to go to my description or my comment section, you will find the link to download the app and join our agency. As you can see, this is my agency, Debbie Agency. This is her WhatsApp number, everything about her. So once you come here, this is my work detail, 372 minutes. I've worked this week. My earning, I've not gotten any gift for this week. So this is my days I've worked for this week. So if you come here party, you will see the people from different countries. You see from Philippines, Nigeria, US, United, Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia. Many countries are here. Yes, if you think that maybe your country is not here, is here. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us and you'll win big. As you can see, this person will win 3,600,000. So if you're a gamer, this app is for you. You will win a lot of coins. So but for the app, for your this thing to be counting on this app, you need to become a host. You need to join an agency before your life can be counting. One thing I love about this app is that you can choose to do audio or live. So if you don't want to be showing your face, it is a very good app for you. You don't have to show your face. You just go for audio. All right. So, but if you are the type that you want to advertise your business, whatever your music, you can be you can choose live and be going live. So this is message. If Bolu Up System send you message, this is where you will see it. All right. So make sure that you always come here to check your messages. So here is me. This is where you will find your tags. As you can see, I'm already heading to withdrawing my first payment. I've gotten 93,000 diamonds. So once I reach 100,000 diamonds now, I will withdraw. So if you come here, you will see here the right tags, backstore, feature, activity, invite, reach, VIP. So you tap tags. Once you tap tags, you will see your chat salary tax. So for now, my chat salary tax is 1,000. Then if you're a newbie, you'll be getting 5,000 every day for 7 days. After 7 days, you start getting 1,000. But if you want to be getting 2,500, you need to meet Lucky Gifts income to unlock plus salary. Plus salary is 1,250, and we also have basic salary 1,500 plus salary 2,000. So this one means that you have to exchange up to 30,000 diamonds, all right, for you to get this. We also have star bonus, but also this is not where we are going to do. So after that place, you see tags. So in this tag, you see daily tags, win in lucky gift wheel, win in royal battle, receive 200 diamonds from gift lucky, bet totally 10,000 coins, and blah 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 other things. So this is your reward. Here you see your reward. Although the pluses I show you now, this is where you see your reward. Anyone you meet, it will show. As you can see, I am at 400 here. So that's it. So if you want to perform your task, you just come here. All right, come here. Anyone you did here, after doing, they'll tell you to claim, and you claim your reward. All right. So after claim, you can come check here to know if there is anyone that's available here for you to claim also. So that's it. If you want to enter your room, you just tap my room. You have entered your room. Once you enter your room, you unmute your mic. If your mic is muted, the tags will not read. So you need to unmute your mic. I've unmuted my mic now. In case this video didn't, if in case you're not hearing anything, please let me know. As I enter live now, I don't know if they will allow me to continue the recording. So you unmute your mic. So here is for message, mic request, music, and other things. If you like, you can be playing music here, and yeah, other things. So, and here is for game. They have a lot of games here. So if you're a gamer, you're good to go. You can choose any of your choice and play. All right. So it's very easy to navigate. All right. So that's about the game. This is gift. Yeah. How we have hot, have lucky. Lucky is if you want to gamble. So and yeah, gambling those thing coin is very cheap, 54, 120, 120 to 40 to 40. This one is normal. Normal is for exchange. If you buy coin, you want to exchange, this is where you come and do your exchange. You have rich, you have custom, and we have bag here. So You need to come in here to check for this bag. As you can see, I have 12 lucky gifts. So if I want to give out this gift now, I'll just go to my agency panel. Yes, if I go there now, I can give her the gift. I will use it and gamble. So, and as you gamble from there, you might also get coin from the gamble, and it will also accumulate in your income. So that's it. Once you're done with your live stream, as this thing is showing 0% salary tax now, is because I started this live streaming now. Once this live streaming is complete now, it will tell me 100% salary. So let's minimize and go and check it now here in my tags. Let's see how many. It has not started reading. Maybe it's because I'm recording this thing. I'm doing screen recording. That's why it has not started. So once you're done, or once you want to check if you're finished or not, if it's complete, just minimize and come here and check. If it is full, it will write 60 over 60 and tell you to claim. You claim your reward. All right. So once you claim your, if you want to if you want to exit it here, you tap exit. So after that, you come here and check other things that you need to do. Like this one, and the say I should watch other users live for 16 minutes. So if I'll just tap go, and it take me to somebody's live streaming here now. So you just watch it for 1 hour. All right. So share feature rewards to social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Can share them. Send 77 lucky gifts to in live room. So and one thing I love this app is that if you're a gamer, yeah, whether you're a gamer or not, once you have coin, you can gamble and win. It will also help you to be accumulating your income. So it's also helped me to accumulate to this 93,000 you're seeing here. Yeah, so that's all about this app for now. All right. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to write it at the comment section. I am here to answer you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you on my next one. I will leave the link of the app in my description or in my comment section. So if you want to join, you're free to tap the link and join our community.